Hello, everybody, and welcome to Speech 1311 W30C, Intro to Speech Communications. My name is Timothy Clark, and I will be your instructor for this course. I'm going to walk you through a couple of things. First thing, when you first log into Blackboard, this announcements page right here will be where it takes you to first. And then we will go through kind of the tabs that you need to know. But inside of here, we've got the welcome, and then we've got kind of a breakdown of what this class is going to look like. For this first week, there will be two due dates. As you can see, A1, 2, and 3 are due on the 19th, and then the 22nd is when everything else will be due. And then after that, we will have one due date a week of the Monday. I like to make classes, or I like to make coursework due on Mondays for the most part, so that you don't have to work on Sunday to do some of your assignments if you don't want to. But also you still have plenty of time to do those. And then at the end, when we start getting close to final exam time, there'll be some a little closer, so they won't be Mondays at the very end. But make sure you understand that this is the way that it works, and we'll kind of walk through. The announcements page, very important. Faculty information, it has me. That's a little bit of an older picture, obviously. My contact information, all of the things right there. And then inside course information, it's going to have, again, some of the things that we've seen, but also the syllabus. And the syllabus is in course information, very important to our first week, which takes us to coursework and then my grades. These are going to be the announcements, the coursework, and my grades after this first week are probably going to be the ones that you use most. But again, the course syllabus is right there. It takes you into the breakdown of how the grading works, all of the outlines, and again, my contact information. This is a completely online course, so for the most part, unless we have to meet on a Blackboard Collaborate, or if you need some one-on-one information, let me know. But for the most part, it is built so that you can do everything within coursework. So again, we have Module A, it's got the two due dates, and then it's got all of the modules open. Nothing that says you can't go ahead and start working ahead, but for the most part, let's look at Module A. So the first thing that we're going to do is the introduction to this course. Make sure that you watch these videos. This is kind of teaching you how to use Blackboard, and the one that I want you to really pay attention to is using rubrics. So what we're going to do is a lot of self-assessment. So let me kind of show you how this works. Watch the videos for sure. If you've used Blackboard before, there's tons of good information. Go ahead and watch it. There might be some things in there that you didn't even know, particularly about the feedback section. But let's click on this course, and then one of the things that I want you to look at is View Rubric right here. This is going to walk you through what I'm looking for when I'm grading papers. So new information identifies three things that they've learned, two interesting things, one question, and few errors. And we have, most of our assignments are going to have a rubric, and what I want you to do is usually grade yourself. Let me know kind of where you think you were successful, where you think you weren't. Take some of the pressure off me so I don't have to grade as much. But on this one, we are going to have 4 questions that we have at the end of this. So again, we're going to use sentences, identify 3 pieces of information that are new to you, 2 pieces of information that you found interesting, at least 1 question that you still have about Blackboard, and then grade your paper according to the rubric. So give me a breakdown of how you think you did. This one's pretty straightforward. We want everybody to get off to a really good start in this course, so make sure you do that. And this whole assignment here should take you about 25 minutes. So that's A1. A2, changing your email. There's a video right here that you'll watch, and you'll go into your actual OC email and change the setup. If you've already done this, you're good to go. You'll see what you'll have to do next. A3 is the syllabus quiz. Again, the syllabus can be found in course information, and you will go through, answer these questions, and then shoot me an email once your email address is changed. I will reply and give you a secret code, and that will then allow you to do part B. All of these so far you can do in a Word document, or if you prefer, you can actually just do the right submission right here, copy and paste the information, and turn it in through there. That is A3, getting off to a good start. The using rubrics video is right here. I'll move it up here in a second, but if you can't find it, that's where it is. A4, introduction blog. I want you to click right here, and you should be enrolled in a group. If you're having troubles getting to this, let me know. It is one of the first times that I've done this, so if it's not working, I'll have to fix it real quick, but that's okay. Really, what we want you to do is do the 3 things right here. And we want to get you to start talking to your classmates. So go through, check out a couple of other people's posts, and that's A4, the introduction blog. A5 is the PRCA pretest. This is a test that kind of tells us where we stand on our communication at this point. One of the fun things that we do in this course is we take this at the very beginning of the course and then we take it at the end, and it tells us kind of where we grow. So what we do is click on this link. It'll be one of those things where you completely agree, completely disagree, and anywhere in between. So answer the questions, and then you'll submit this to me and tell me a little bit about what you thought about the scores. That gets us to A6, which is the All About Me speech. This is going to be actually our first speech. We are going to upload this to YouTube. Here's the thing. There are no set limitations other than I would like it to be between 2 and 4 minutes. Your job is to make a YouTube video about you. Tell me a little bit about you. Sometimes with the online courses, we don't always get to know each other very well, so I want to make sure that I have an understanding of where you are, where you come from, anything like that. So read through these instructions, make sure that you know what you're doing, and you'll be good to go. Make sure that you have this set up so that it is viewable. You don't have to make it available to the public, but make sure you have it available that anybody with the link can share it. And if you have any questions on how to post that, let me know. And then the last thing is a group blog. Again, we're going to go in. You should be enrolled in one of these groups and continue to get to know your classmates. So you'll post your link and go ahead and respond to somebody else's and get to know each other. If you have any questions at all for this course or anything in particular, reach out to me. My email address can be found on the faculty information, the course information, and it's always going to be on the announcements as well. But it's tlclark@odessa.edu, and that is how the course works. Those of you that stuck around until the end of the video, the keywords for the email that you're going to send me is Go Wranglers. So that will get you through the next one. Go ahead and send me that email, but make sure you watch till the end of the video. Sometimes there's a few things that pop up that other people might not notice. If you look right here, that's where some other things might come up. Very, very nice to meet you all, and I look forward to getting to know you. I will work on my introduction video.